Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna share with you how can you post your recipes at myrecipeshub.com. First of all, you have to register your account. Just click on register. So you can choose your username, then your email address, and then your password. Then you have to confirm the password. Just check into terms and condition and then click on register. So you need just email address and then your login. So after you log in, you can edit your profile. So here you can add something a little bit about you, like you can upload your profile picture, biography, last name, first name, your gender, country, and if you have a YouTube channel or if you have a Facebook page, Instagram, you can also add your links here: Facebook page link, Instagram link, YouTube link. And if you want to change your username, email address, or password, it's also here. So let's go now to submit recipes. So then if you want to share your recipes, you have to click on submit recipe. After that, if you have your own, but you must have your own recipes when you submit at myrecipeshub.com. So first of all, you have to add your title. But for example, I will show you something now. If you have a YouTube channel, then you can just copy the link from here, or just click on the share and copy this link and click there and paste it there. So you can see it's automatically will convert to the video. So you can also, like for example, I am adding this recipe from YouTube, so I will copy this title from the video and I will add it here. And then you have to add a feature image. It's very important for your post, so you can just add which picture you want. I will just choose this. Then you can check the recipe, which type of recipe is this, which category. So for example, this is like beef, so I will just click on beef. Then which country recipe is this, which country cuisine is this. So I will check Indian and Pakistani because they have similar food. And then if it's spicy or vegetarian or vegan or gluten free, it's spicy, so I will click on this. Then you can just write a quick description. For example, you can write like how can you make keema quickly at home. Sorry, how can you cook quickly keema at home. Then you can add like for how many people is this food which are you cooking. Is for 2 people, you can add 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. Then you can add your difficulty. It's easy, medium, or hard. You can also add your preparation time, cooking time, and total time. And then you can also add your cooking temperature. Then you come to ingredients. So you can just, like there are more than 300 ingredients already I added. So you can just add here, for example, butter. If it's how much is the amount, is 1 tablespoon, you can just 1 tsp, or you can just write like 200 gram. You can also add like this. If you don't find the ingredient here, you can just write me an email, so I will check it, or I will make you an author, so then you can also add your own ingredients. So then after ingredients, please always when you add the ingredients, just add your amount, like then it's easy for the people. So if it's, for example, if it's baking powder, you can add like 2 tsp, this means 2 tablespoon. So then you will go to steps. Like if you add the step, like the first step is the boil the water, and then you can also add your pictures here. Just add to gallery, so you can just choose any picture, choose one, your step pictures. You can also add 2 steps, for example, then cook the rice, like this. And you can also add their pictures, and then at the end you can also add nutritions. If you know about nutrition, about your recipe nutrition, you can also add them. So it's very simple. And if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can also add your recipes. It's very easy. Just add the picture image, and it's the same. It's like how it's for YouTube channel. So please share your own recipes there, and after that just click on submit. So you receive a message, so you submitted your recipe, but we will review it, and then we'll publish on the website. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope that you will like our website. Thank you so much. Goodbye.